Hi guys! Welcome back to our vlog today. Favorite video, we puzzle.
Yay! I have new set of puzzles.
Salamat, Shopee.
Salamat, Shopee. How many puzzles you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yan guys, bumili ulit ako ng puzzles para sa kanya pero jigsaw na siya this time. Kasi memorize niya na yung previous niyang puzzles. So, ito ay mga vehicles and animals. Dalawang story binilan ko nito. Ayan. What is this?
Airplane.
Airplane.
Yeah.
This one.
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer. This one.
Dolphin.
Dolphin. This one.
Sticker bus.
Oh, this one.
Bus. Car.
Car. Oh, this one.
Tiger.
Tiger. This one.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. This one.
Elephant.
Elephant. This one.
Panda.
Panda. This one.
Boat.
Very good. How about this one?
Monkey.
Monkeys and bears and cats. Okay, what do you want to do first? What do you want to do first? Tiger. Okay.
Thank you, Daddy. Buying puzzles.
Oh, you're welcome, Pierre. For you to make a double-decker bus, you have to follow this picture. What is this? It's like the house. Oh, this one. You put this one in there. This one there.
For Daddy and the table.
You have to put it there. So you can make it. Medyo confusing siya guys kasi sanay siya dun sa may pattern na i-form niya na mismo yung animals. But this time, it's kinda complicated. So, yan guys, magiging progress natin so that will be our next target na matuto siya magbumuo ng mga jigsaw puzzles. Yeah, from the top. Shoot. Okay, and then you put the other one here. The building. Oh, this one. That's how you put it. The next is wow, almost done. And then this one. Yes. There.
With
On the side. You put the wheels now. Yes. Good.
Daddy.
Finish? Yay! I'm so proud of you, Pierre. Good job, Pierre. Mas maganda tong isa kasi meron siyang gagayahan talaga sa loob. Yun nga lang, hindi siya masyadong challenging sa mind. Pero syempre, sa level ng bata, mas maganda yung ganyan may pattern. Wow, there's a car. Oh, another part of the car. I think this one.
Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Buying toys.
You're welcome.
Daddy, no. This is the driver, ready?
What's that?
Driver.
Oh, the driver. Where's the driver? Ito na. Yeah. It's okay lang. It's just practicing it right now. I know in few days time you can do it on your own again. So,
Daddy, help me.
oh please, put it there. It's there. Oh, what's this?
Sun.
Will you tell Mr. Sun?
Good morning, Mr.
Oh.
Sun.
Is it morning? It's afternoon already. What do you say?
Good morning, afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Mr. Sun.
Daddy.
Ayan guys, uubusin niya lahat yan guys. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Gawin lang namin lahat to guys and then I'll show you the some time
Daddy,
lapse.
Daddy.